Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. I'm good. My
I'm Nur-
name's Matt. Oh, sorry.
yeah, I'm Nur Mohammed from South India.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So I'm Matt from New Zealand, but I live in Vietnam for now. So yeah.
How is
Okay.
yeah?
So
Are you in New
oh,
Zealand or in Cambodia?
I'm in Vietnam, but
Vietnam.
I'm going back to New Zealand in I think October is my flight is in October.
Mhm.
So I'm just waiting pretty much, and then I'll go back home soon.
Where are you currently living in Vietnam?
I'm in Ho Chi Minh City,
Mhm.
so I live in the south of Vietnam. Yeah, it's pretty good here, but I need to go back home, so yeah, I'm just waiting. So
What are you doing there? Are you a teacher working in Vietnam?
well, yeah, I have two jobs. So I work in the morning and afternoon. I work as a swimming teacher, and at nighttime I usually work as a English teacher at nighttime. But
Mhm.
because like you said, because of the virus, I've had to
Mhm.
change because
Mhm.
nowadays it's difficult to uh,
Mhm.
to find customers or clients for swimming. People were
Mhm.
scared. People were scared to swim, or yeah, it's just the way it is. So yeah, so now I'm working full time as a teacher. So hopefully in the future I can change, go back to my old job, but
Sure.
we'll see. We'll see. I'm not
What
sure.
about the why pandemic in Vietnam? How is it better and now controlled?
Um, it was good. Like I think it was like 90 days without any virus. It was really good.
Mm.
And then 90 days, and then about 2 or 3 weeks ago, it got bad again. Yeah, someone, someone came into the country illegally, and now
Mhm.
it's really.
What about in your home country in New Zealand? How is it?
I think it's okay. I think it's okay. We have some cases, but I think it's under control. Yeah, slowly under control. It's very strange because New Zealand went 100 days or three months, 3.5 months
Mm.
without any cases, so zero, at
Mhm.
zero. But like 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, yeah, then now there's 20 a day, and
Mm.
nobody knows like where it came from. Like if the border's closed, no one can get into the country. So how did the virus get in? So nobody knows.
Now the open everything in New Zealand.
Well, you can go back in, but you have to go through strict quarantine. Like they test you every day, and you have to stay I think, in a hotel.
Separate.
But it's very, very strict, like very strict. So we don't know why the virus came back. There's no
No,
answers.
the government control something will become in outside of the country, so they will monitor.
Yeah, yeah, it's very strange because New Zealand is very isolated. Like New Zealand's by itself, so it's easier to control, but still gets in. So nobody knows. Like it's really strange.
How long been staying in Vietnam? How long?
Um, I moved about 2 years ago. I actually moved here with my girlfriend. So my girlfriend is Australian Vietnamese.
Mhm.
So my girlfriend's half Australian, half Vietnamese. So
New Zealand.
yeah, I met her in Australia. So she asked me to move here with her, and
Mm.
yeah, we've been together here. Like she has a business here, a small business. So yeah, I was okay. I was okay to move here. So yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Like she's coming back with me to New Zealand, so it's gonna be interesting. I don't think she'll like it.
Yeah,
Actually, it's too cold.
yeah. You mentioned the swimming classes. You separate individually the school, or you working in under any school? The swimming class.
No, I don't work for a school, so I just work independently or part of the pool. Actually, sometimes they call me up or it's like in the past it was very easy. Well, not easy, but I could find customers if I work hard. It's not a problem. But now it's just people don't have as much money, and people are scared.
Yeah,
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 people are scared to swim as well, and scared to swim as well. Like, oh, it's many of the pools are still closed as well. So yeah, it's not important.
the customer will be the Vietnamese or a multinational will become.
My customer, sorry, my customers.
Yeah, the swimming customer will be the Vietnamese or multinational people will come join the
Like 95% Vietnamese. Oh yeah, I mean 90 or 85 maybe. Sometimes I get like Koreans or Japanese as well. There's a lot of Koreans here, and lots of Japanese as well. So sometimes I get like Korean students, like high school students. So yeah, most of my clients are children, like under 18 years old. So
Mhm.
yeah, it's mainly Vietnamese.